Let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried everything to keep someone in your life? You tried being patient. You tried being understanding. You tried being the good man. You gave attention. You gave time. You gave emotional support. And yet somehow, the more effort you gave, the less respect you felt. Maybe she started replying slower. Maybe she started losing interest. Maybe she even left for someone else. And the worst part? You kept believing that if you just tried harder, she would finally realize your value. But something strange happens in human psychology. The more you chase someone who is pulling away, the more you destroy the very attraction you are trying to save. And the moment you stop chasing, everything changes. Not because you manipulate anyone, but because human beings only truly understand value when they feel the possibility of loss. Today we are going to talk about something most people never understand until it's too late. The psychology of walking away. And why sometimes the moment a man stops chasing is the exact moment someone finally begins to miss him. The nice guy trap. Most men fall into something psychologists call the approval trap. They believe love is earned through effort. If they are supportive enough, patient enough, nice enough, eventually the woman will see their value. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Attraction does not work like a reward system. You cannot negotiate desire. Desire happens emotionally. And emotional attraction follows certain patterns. One of the most destructive patterns is overpursuit. When a man begins chasing constantly, three things happen psychologically. His value appears lower. Her perceived power increases. The emotional balance disappears. Attraction depends on balance. Not control. Not dominance. But balance. When one person starts investing dramatically more effort, the relationship stops feeling exciting. It starts feeling predictable. And predictability kills tension. Why people respect those who can walk away. Think about the people you respect most in life. They are not the ones constantly seeking approval. They are the ones who know their worth. People respect those who have boundaries. Walking away is one of the strongest signals of a boundary. Not angry walking away. Not dramatic walking away. Calm walking away. Because calm detachment communicates something powerful. It says, I value myself enough not to stay where I'm not valued. This energy is rare. And rarity creates attraction. The psychology of chasing versus detachment. When someone senses you are afraid to lose them, your behavior changes. You become overly careful. Overly available. Overly invested. You stop expressing your real personality. You start performing for approval. But attraction thrives on authenticity, not performance. The moment you detach emotionally, something interesting happens. You stop performing. You return to being yourself. And authenticity is magnetic. What happens in her mind when you stop chasing? When a man stops chasing suddenly, the brain reacts strongly. There are several emotional stages. Stage 1, relief. At first she may feel relieved. The pressure is gone. The emotional pursuit has stopped. But relief is temporary. Because after relief comes curiosity. Stage 2, curiosity. She starts wondering. Why did he stop? Did he move on? Did he finally give up? Curiosity creates mental attention. And attention is the beginning of attraction. Stage 3, ego reaction. If she believed you would always chase, your silence challenges that belief. Now her ego begins asking questions. Why isn't he trying anymore? The moment the power shifts, eventually something deeper happens. The emotional power dynamic changes. Before, she controlled the emotional direction. Now you do. Not because you forced anything, but because you stopped participating in the chase. Your silence creates distance. And distance creates perspective. Sometimes that perspective creates regret. Sometimes it creates respect. Sometimes it creates attraction again. But here is the key truth. When you reach this point, you often no longer need her validation. Solution and rebuild. The goal is not to make someone beg. The goal is to rebuild yourself so completely that you never feel the need to beg again. Real power comes from building a life where your happiness does not depend on someone staying. You focus on your health, your discipline, your financial independence, your personal growth, your mission. And when a man builds a life like that, he stops chasing people. And ironically, that is the moment people start chasing him. Because nothing is more attractive than a man who is not desperate for approval. Final message. Stop trying to convince people to see your value. The right people will recognize it naturally. And those who don't are simply making space for someone who will. Walking away is not weakness. Sometimes, walking away is the moment a man finally respects himself.
What you're carrying right now is heavy, and it didn't come from nowhere. This moment feels permanent, but it isn't. Subscribe to stay connected for your next move.